In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Authenticator on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started by opening Microsoft on your browser on your PC or laptop. Now in here, you'll need to sign in to your account to gain access to their services. After that, go ahead and open Microsoft Authenticator. Now on their homepage, you'll be able to find install the app button. Click on this and this will redirect you into a new page where you can find QR code for downloading the app on Google Play and App Store. Now let's open our Android device and go ahead and look for the scanner app on this device. Now using the scanner app, go ahead and scan the QR code given by Microsoft Authenticator to be able to install the app on your Android device. So as you can see in here, the scanned QR redirected me to Microsoft Authenticator on Google Play Store. Now just click on the install button and start installing Microsoft Authenticator on your device. After installing the app on your device, just go ahead and open it. On the app, you need to sign into your Microsoft account to be able to access Microsoft Authenticator. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video.